Alright, now I want to teach you how to deactivate your Palmpay account. You see, sometimes we would have had opening account in one device and we might want to use another device instead. For example, you got a new phone, so you want to deactivate from the first phone you're logged in to the other one. Now, how do you do this? On the home page, you select Me, and then among the options you will see at the top here you select Settings. Then you see Device Management. Select Device Management. You can see I'm currently logged into two, Journey and Samsung. So I'm going to click on the one I want to deactivate, and I choose Remove this device. Confirm it. I'm to input my password, and once I do that, the account will be deactivated on that device. Simple.